don't think I'll be using my X-Trail for anything quite as adventurous as that, but it's true the X-Trail has lots of appealing features for adventurous families, and I'll be taking you through them today. Before I do, let me recap on the history of X-Trail. It's our iconic family vehicle for adventures since it first rolled off the line in 2000. Globally, Nissan has sold more than 6 million X-Trails to date. It's an impressive legacy. Let's start with the most important part of any vehicle, its powertrain. The X-Trail is equipped with Nissan's unique and innovative e-Power system. It comes in 4-wheel drive and 2-wheel drive also. Simply put, an electric motor drives the wheels, giving a pure EV drive feeling. The electricity for that motor is generated by an advanced 1.5-litre variable compression turbo engine, which is working quietly in the background to feed a 1.8 kilowatt-hour battery. It can also feed the motor directly if needed. It means it drives like an EV, instant response, and there's no gearbox, so the acceleration is linear and effortless. The torque is readily available. It's a recipe for a fun drive. So some key figures for you. It has 211 horsepower and over 330 Newton meters of torque available. Additional benefits include the fact that you don't need to plug it in, and it's amongst the quietest in the segment. Importantly, X-Trail also has improved fuel efficiency. In fact, better fuel efficiency than traditional hybrids, especially in urban and suburban areas where we know our customers spend a lot of time. And with e-Power comes our e-pedal step technology, allowing our customers to accelerate and decelerate the car with just the use of the gas pedal, making that urban driving even less demanding. Furthermore, X-Trail is equipped with e-Force, our new 4-wheel drive technology for electrified powertrains. A motor on each axle delivers precise blend of power and control to each of the 4 wheels. This results in a smooth ride, confident acceleration and traction, quick response in all conditions, as well as reassuring braking. It also reacts to changing grip 10,000 times faster than traditional systems. Being dual motor, there's no transmission tunnel to compromise rear interior space. And that's really key. It means that X-Trail is the only electrified 7-seater crossover in its segment. Assertive and robust design, projecting confidence and security through its stance on the road. Its design reflects its character and the character of our customers. Versatile and adventurous. Clearly a Nissan, with brand design DNA, V-motion grille and floating roof. Clever integration of the headlights into the bodywork, with channels for clean airflow to go over the front wheels. At the side, the wheel arches give a sense of muscularity, while at the base of the doors, the inset adds dynamism as it flows towards the rear wheel arch. Wraparound rear lights, C-pillar, rear window and spoiler all flow together harmoniously in an eye-catching design, which also optimizes airflow. The design of the rear is clean and sharp and sports the new Nissan brand logo. Rear doors open to nearly 90 degrees. I wish I would have had that when my kids were toddlers. Once on board, life is comfortable. There's 69 centimeters of knee room, and rear passengers have their own air conditioning and heating controls. They've also got sunshades in the doors and USB chargers, both USB A and C. Important for happy teenagers. Happy teenagers, happy travels. And no family adventure car would be complete without a ski hatch. Thanks to smart packaging, 2 foldable seats. And not just for small kids, they can accommodate passengers of up to 1.60 meters. The trunk on the X-Trail is going to see a lot of action, and now it's even bigger. It's got best-in-class length and width between the wheelhouses. Life on board is more comfortable, more spacious, and more convenient. There's outstanding materials and outstanding fit and finish, and it feels airy due to the panoramic glass opening sunroof. The first thing that the driver will see is the 12.3-inch digital TFT combi meter screen, which is configurable to show exactly what our customers need. It's operated by intuitive and tactile switches on the steering wheel. Once on the road, A 10.8-inch head-up display will project key information like current speed, speed limit, and navigation directions for the driver, so they don't need to take their eyes off the road. It projects directly onto the windscreen, and it's a key new feature in X-Trail. The 12.3-inch central screen brings together audio, navigation, and other system functions, all governed by an intuitive mix of touchscreen icons and buttons. That's a total of 35 inches of infotainment system screens. Some functions can be activated by voice recognition.